Good day, dear viewers. My name is Maxim. I am expert of environmental science. Today I present to your attention a video on the topic Introduction to Environmental Monitoring. Please stay with us and enjoy watching. According to the international standard ISO 42-2580, monitoring is a system of long-term observation, forecasting, evaluation, and control of the state and changes of objects. That is, monitoring is repeated measurement to observe changes in any parameter in a certain time interval. Environmental monitoring is a system of control and observation of natural anthropogenic complexes and the processes that occur in them, the surrounding natural environment in the general for balance and the rational use of natural resources, forecasting of large-scale changes, and environmental protection. As a branch of ecological science, environmental monitoring is based on general ecological laws and interact with natural, geographical, and technical sciences. The tasks of environmental monitoring consist of the elaboration and development of theoretical principles and solutions for practical solutions to environmental problems, the organization of observation and observation methods, etc. The purpose of environmental monitoring is to improve the natural environment monitoring system, as well as substantiation of prospects of warnings about the decline of biodiversity disturbance of the ecological balance, assessment of the predicted and actual state of the environment, and the deterioration of people's living conditions. The subject of environmental monitoring is the functioning and organization of the system of monitoring, forecasting, and assessment of the state of systems and elements of the biosphere, as well as the nature of the influence of anthropogenic and natural factors. The objects of environmental monitoring can be the surrounding natural environment, sources of influence on the environment and its elements, such as underground and surface waters, atmosphere, ecosystems, biosphere, and plant and soil covers. We use a variety of methods to obtain primary and secondary information. Methods of obtaining primary information are implemented through the observation at the relevant station and posts. These methods involve biological, geophysical, oceanic, meteorological, hydrological, and background observation. With the help of remote observation tools, data on the state of the environment can also be obtained. Remote sensing methods, such as direct observation from Earth satellites and geophysical, photographic, and geostationary observations, are among the tools used for remote observation. Methods of obtaining secondary information consist of processing and organizing databases. They are obtained using primary information, the result of methods of obtaining secondary information are recorded in the form of tables, graphs, and maps. Geographic information systems are used to summarize information. GISs are computer databases that are combined with certain analytical tools. These tools are used to work with special information. Environmental monitoring includes the following general tasks: the detection of critical and extreme situations that violate environmental safety, determination of the volume of anthropogenic impact on the surrounding natural environment, assessment of the actual state of the environment, forecasting the state of the natural environment and its assessment, establishment of factors and sources of environmental pollution, research into the state of the biosphere assessment and the forecasting of its changes, observation of factors affecting the natural environment and its conditions. As a result of observation, data and results were obtained that characterize the state of the environment. They are evaluated depending on the field of activity in which they are used. The choice of optimal conditions for activity, the clarification of certain anthropogenic influences, and the determination of ecological reserves under the condition of permissible anthropogenic loads on the surrounding natural environment involve an assessment of the state of the environment. There are the following types of environmental monitoring: local, regional, and global. Environmental monitoring is an important component of environmental quality management. Monitoring involves informing and researching a certain area and the processes that occur in this area. Monitoring allows us to develop certain methods and recommendations for overcoming negative ecological and ecosystem changes occurring in the studied area of the environment. This field of knowledge is important today to achieve the goals of sustainable development, one of which is to overcome the consequences of climate change. Thank you for your watching. Please like and share this video. I hope you found it interesting. See you soon.